In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple but real automation system using Make.com, Airtable, Google Sheets, and your own personal email. Now, for most beginners, the hardest thing is honestly connecting Make.com and your personal email. That's usually where people get stuck. So I want to show you step by step how you use these tools. Here's the whole idea in a simple way. We take our leads from Google Sheets, we send them directly into Airtable, and we automatically send each lead an email. So before we jump into Make.com, I'll show you my Google Sheets. If you don't have an account yet, just click Login, and you can continue with Google. We tap Scenarios and Create Scenario. We want Google Sheets node, so we'll find Google Sheets and search Get Range Values. We want a connection, sign in with Google. And here's how I set everything up. Search by path, my drive, and I choose this name, demo leads. Seat name, and for range I'm writing A to E. And this is important because A1 has my headers, name, email, business, city, and ID. So I want A2. So I don't want Make.com to read the header row, only the data. Because we started at row 2, we'll keep table contains header now and save. Next we want each lead to go into our table, and we search our table, create a record, right? So I need my personal access token. We are in airtable.com and sign up for free. We are in Airtable and we tap Build an app. So I'll create the data as I have it in the Google Sheet. This logic is very important. You will see it in future videos with more advanced automation systems. So I keep a name with single line text. Now I want an email. And here I want email. Save. The third one is business. And I want single line text too. And single line text too. Okay. Let's delete this. And so this, I don't want it. So I keep these headers. In status I write we tap save and we're done. Now we want our Airtable token, and on this page I click help, API documentation, authentication, and I'm scrolling to find this one, create tokens. And we need this one, personal access tokens. And we create a token. I name it demo barber leads. I add all the scopes. and we want this one, demo barber leads, and our token has been created. So we copy this, we're back in make, we tap demo barber leads, table 1. So for name, from module 1, we want this, B, business C, city D, and D. And in status, we want no email, and we tap save. We're now saving every lead directly into our table completely automatically. So the next one is Gmail and send an email. And here's the difficult thing. We use advanced settings, so we need a client ID and client secret. So we'll open up Google Cloud and tap Get Started for free. So you will land on this page and we tap Create a new project. We name it make.com, an organization, and we click Create. So from here, what you have to do is click API and Services. From here, we tap Enable APIs and Services, and we search for Gmail API. We tap Enable. Now click this one and get started. So we name it make.com, and so here we tap External, Next. Again, input your email address, click on Agree, Continue, and Create. Now click on Clients, Create Client, Web Application, and we name it make.com. Now you have to go to the authorized redirect URLs and add this URL. Make.com and integromat.com, and we tap Create. So now we have our client ID and our client secret. So we're back in make.com and we put this client ID and client secret, sign in with Google. So we have this problem, and now let's continue in Google Cloud. So now what you have to do is go to branding section and authorize domains, make.com and integromat.com, and we tap save. Now what you have to do is go to data access, click add or remove scopes, and on filter write Gmail API and select this one, modify, compose, randomly, metadata and insert, and on 50 send and labels, and we tap update. So now click on audience and scroll down and click add users and write your email. Now on the top left corner we tap credentials. Now create credentials and the second one. Web application, give your name. I name it make.com, and here we tap add URL. So add all these URLs that have listed. Don't forget anything and tap create. So now all you have to do is click client ID, and we're back in make.com, and we input this one, client secret, this one. sign in with Google, and here we tap continue, 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 and so we're signed in. We tap this and we choose this one. In subject we type quick question and this name, and content, this is where you write the outreach email. In my example, I have written all these. You can copy paste. Alright, so last step is Airtable update the record. We have our connection, our base leads demo, our table. For record ID, I don't choose anything from Google Sheets. I select the record ID from Airtable, the second module, and I choose this one. Without this ID, you can't update the same row. Then the only field I change is this one, and email done, and save. The scenario was saved, and we're done. Tap run once. And that's the whole system. You can see clearly all the data, email done, all from our Google Sheet. So this was the video, a simple but important automation with various tools inside Make.com, like Google Sheets, your personal email, and Airtable.